guys, down the man cave today and checking out another new product that I just got in the mail today. This is from a company called Tack9er, and Tack9er sent me this multi-tool shovel, and we're going to take a look at it today and just kind of see what it's all about, take it out of the package, play with it, and then hopefully get in the field and do some field testing with it later on. But right now we're just going to take an initial look at it, so stick around. Alright, so first of all, it comes in this box. Tack9er multi-tool shovel. High-performance survivalist multi-tool set. Built together, tough for strength and durability, lightweight and convenient to carry. Comes in this nice case. It has a shoulder strap with it. And there's the shovel itself, and that has a cover for it. Keep your pack clean once you get it dirty. Take that off. It's got a sharp serrated edge on this side. Looks like we got a couple hex nut drivers right there. There's a ruler imprinted on the shovel, you can see that. There's kind of an oily film on it. And then this looks like a rope cutter of some sort right down here. See that? And two positions, I think, on this one. You got your open position, and then you can also screw it down for like more of a hoe. Now I've got the handle sections. The end handle has a compass. And a ferro rod. Let's see if I can get that ferro rod to strike right away. Oh yeah. A little bit. That works. Looks like you can unscrew it and take it out if you have to. Also on the other end there's a bit driver, the Phillips, and a standard. This section has another knife blade. So there's a knife blade here, seems to be pretty sharp, a saw, and then kind of a forked tool. You can use that as maybe as a gig, and then a bottle opener down here. Just never know when you gotta open up a beer, right? That screws into there. And then the last piece is this one. And this has a glass breaker. You can see that. Alright, there's the shovel fully assembled. Each section is gasketed. There's actually a little rubber gasket. And the last section here, the one that has the ferro rod in it, I'm going to take that off because you can actually use or the one with the compass on the end. You can take this off And you have a whole storage area, so if you wanted to store some tinder down in there, you probably could, like some cotton balls. Be a good add-on to the shovel. Alright, so the specs on this thing is 29 inches long. It's a 5.2 inch or 5.12 inch width on the head of the shovel, and it's about 6.3 inches long. So it's a decent little shovel for the size. It feels really solid. There's no movement in this at all. There's no flex. The pieces screwed together nice and tight. It took me a minute just to figure out how they all went together, like which section went where and what pieces went inside. But once I got that figured out, it's a nice solid little tool. I'm kind of curious about something. I feel like oh yeah, that sinks in pretty deep. See that? I can't wait to get this thing out in the field and try it. I want to split some logs with it. But if you're looking for a truck shovel or something to throw in your pack when you go camping, this might be a nice old tool to have. So far, I'm kind of digging it. I think it's going to be fun to take out in the field and play with it. That serrated edge is sharp. It's a solid tool. Anyway, I just wanted to show this thing to you, see what you guys thought about it. We're definitely going to get out in the field and test it some more. I think it's definitely going to be a fun tool to play with. I love playing with new tools and just trying them out and see if they perform the way they're supposed to. Once again, this is the Tac9er multi-tool shovel. It has, let's see, 15 different capabilities, and they list them as a hex driver, a 10 centimeter ruler, axe, serrated edge knife, hook, wire cutter, hoe, harpoon saw, rescue knife, bottle opener, safety hammer, Phillips head bit, flathead bit, magnesium flint, and a glass face compass. Once again, 29 inches long. It's made of stainless steel blade with an aluminum handle. So, pretty neat tool. Should be fun to play with. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. We'll be out in the field here soon enough checking it out, so stick around.